Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. I have had a shower this morning, that's why my skin looks a little bit like red. My skin like reacts so badly when I get out the shower, so blotchy. It's definitely toned down a lot now. When I first came out it looks like I have like a rash on my face. And today's the day that Danie is coming down to Lincoln. She's currently on the train but her first train was delayed, so she's going to be here a little bit later than she planned to because her connecting train's gonna go before she gets there. But yeah, I'm meeting her at 1:30. I've tidied all my room because honestly, like, I felt so embarrassed. It was just really untidy and stuff. Finished editing my vlog this morning, so everything's been very productive. I've been looking through really old photos that have been embarrassing me a lot. Add me on Snapchat because I posted some things on Snapchat the other day that was so funny. So add me on Snapchat if you want to see some bits of my everyday life that you don't see on my vlog channel. Problem, when I came out the shower, I felt my nose and my nose stud wasn't there, and I've been looking everywhere to see if I can find it on the floor or if it was in my towel, and it's nowhere, so I had to put in a ring. I've been wanting to get a ring but this is too thin. I need to get a thicker one. My cousin had her nose pierced and she said one time she left it overnight and she struggled to put it in the next day, so I'm really worried, and obviously because this is thinner the skin will close up around it and then I won't be able to put a thicker stud. So I'm going to do my makeup and then head straight into town, go to Claire's or a jeweller's and hopefully get a nose stud, get back in. But I do really love the nose ring. I'm going to get some more that are thicker so I can actually wear nose rings normally because I think they look so cute. I'm really excited for today because I'm going to be filming for Danie's like documentary thing that she's putting together. I can't remember the whole idea behind it, if it's just for blogging or just for YouTube, I'm not too sure, but I will explain when she gets here. And yeah, I'm just going to do my makeup and then I'll catch up with you when I'm on my way to town. Right, so I am on the way to the train station to meet Danie. I'm super excited because I think we're coming back to my room first to film, and then we're going to go to a cafe and film in there, hopefully, fingers crossed, if a place lets us. But yeah, I'm really excited. I finally got ready. It took me absolutely ages and I was like sorting out my room. I also am going to go get a stud because of the whole situation this morning. I need a stud. I'm going to go see if Claire's have one maybe, because a few people have recommended me go see that because I did put it up on Twitter. I'm looking forward to today because it's going to be something a little bit different, and then I'm going to catch up on the lecture that I missed today when I get back this evening. So Danie is finally here. We have been filming in my room for a while and now we've come in the kitchen to film, and we've had a few problems, haven't we?
Just a few.
We've just had a few problems with like filming and Danie's phone turning off, which is wonderful, but it's fine. We've got plenty of time and I'm sure we'll sort it all out in the end.
I hope so.
Do you want to introduce yourself?
Hiya.
Hello.
Hello.
I don't know how you feel about being on YouTube. You don't have to be in if you don't want to.
Well, I used to do YouTube,
yeah.
to be fair. But if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's Danie Jade. We'll leave it in the description down below.
We will.
If you want to follow. Just
yes.
go to some photo pictures later.
Yes.
After filming, if we... it's back on!
Yay! Right.
There's going to be a clip of me being like, oh my god, it's back on!
And now let's zoom into your face.
That'll be like, what's it called? Like,
oh yeah.
What are they called? The, dun, dun, dun. You know when it...
Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. I'm trying to work out where it's from. Something from like horror movies when it's like... Dun, dun, dun. Yes.
I know what I mean.
Okay, well we're going to try and film these clips now.
If they work. We might be back in 2 minutes.
Yeah. So I haven't spoke to you in absolutely ages. I have been so busy. Me and Danie were filming earlier and then some things happened with the footage, so we had to like refilm a few times, but I got some clips of us filming in the kitchen after we'd filmed in my room. It was so cluttered in my room, it still is, because I had to like show how I do all my setup at uni. I've also bought a stud to come because obviously my nose, I'm really worried about it closing up because apparently they're really like, the skin closes up really quickly on nose piercings, so I am nervous, but at least I've got like a tiny ring in it rather than nothing. Also bought some gold rings from H&M earlier. I really love them. This is what they look like. They would look nicer if my nails were done, but I like what they look like, especially this one on my middle finger. And then I also bought this necklace as well from H&M. I absolutely am obsessed. I want to get more, so they're like layered gold, because I'm really into gold jewellery, which is really weird because my whole life I've been into silver, so I'm starting to get into the gold. What else was I going to say? I'm coming to here to get some cakes because me and Megan are going to have a cake that my mum made from the other day. And yeah, I also went to Tower Bar and had like a drink and stuff with Jodie, who was someone that watched my videos and knew Sophie before, but we've been having a chat. Had a little chat about our lives in Tower Bar. It was a really lovely evening, and then I walked back here after I dropped Danie at the station, then I went and saw Jodie, then I've come back home, and I haven't vlogged in absolutely ages, so I'm really sorry about that. So it might end up being a 2-day vlog. I'm not really sure at the minute because I don't know how much footage I have, but I hope you've enjoyed what I've done so far, even though it's been a bit all over the place. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go take these cakes in so me and Megan can eat them. Is there anything you need to update the vlog on?
Shoe just went into my arse. She's trying to work.
We're just distracted. Wait, why have you got loads of Arizona tea?
It's green tea and honey, bitches. Yeah, she just drank it. We tried
like everyone used to have that on Instagram. I remember back in the day.
We tried it.
And they'd used to put it like in as like a blog prop. Oh, right.
What?
Good morning, everyone. So I've decided to keep this as a 2-day vlog like I suggested last night because I don't have too much footage. I did film quite a lot, but I just feel like I'm doing a lot today at uni, so I thought you guys would want to see, as you do like my uni content. I have been to a genetics lecture this morning, which was difficult to follow with, so I've just been finishing my notes and I am now going to prepare for the rest of my lectures today. So I might write out the notes from the lecture slides that have been put up for the lectures that are coming up today. Some of my lecturers decide not to put up the content before because then people have an excuse to not turn up, and also some of them like have questions on and they don't want you to see the answers and stuff. Not looking forward to today because 2 till 6 is just so draining, especially when there's 2 hours of chemistry in the middle. Not feeling that at all. So I have been catching up on my lecture notes from yesterday. The lecture slides are so long. I literally don't know how they spoke about this for 50 minutes because I've written about 6 pages for a 50-minute thing. Oh, I don't know. I don't know how people did that yesterday, but I've been here for absolutely ages doing that. And now I'm going to make some food because I have 4 hours of lectures like straight through, so I'm going to be starving if I don't make something substantial now. I have no idea what I'm going to make, but hopefully it'll be good. I also I'm donating blood next week. If you want to donate blood, I'll leave the link down below because I think it's so important. I've wanted to do it for ages, but I've never plucked up the courage. But now I'm just realising I need to save someone's life. Like, this can save, I think every donation can save up to 4 people's lives, which is incredible. So I strongly urge you do so. And I've just filled out the form because they've sent it me in the post, my little blood donation, oh god, not that, my little blood donation letter that I need to take with me. I filled out the form to make sure everything's okay, and I'm looking forward to it so much. I can't wait to, I think it'll be so rewarding after I've done it, and I'll be so happy with myself. I am very nervous because I don't like it when blood leaves my body. Not really a fan of that, but as long as it's helping someone's life, I'm good with that. But yeah, I'm gonna go make some food and I'll catch up with you just before I go to my lectures, and I'll try and film some stuff while I'm out. So some things have happened that have resulted in me not going in today. So instead I'm doing all my work from home. Yeah, I'm just kind of doing all my lecture notes from the lectures that I'm actually not in today. I'm not really going to go into the whole thing because I do share quite a lot of my life online, but this is something that I don't want to share, which I hope you can understand. I will chat to you later once I've got all this work done because I need to stay on top of it.
Can you feel the eggs shaking?
Fuck's sake. Wait, what? No. Wait, yes, you do. We're just about to make dins, and we're all gonna. Oh no, she's just gone. We're about to make dinner. We're gonna do like breaded chicken. We're gonna try and make our own like nuggets. So I'm excited about that. Because we wanted to make these for ages. They came in our Degusta boxes. It's this brand. I've never heard of it before, I don't think.
I saw it in Morrison's the other day.
But it's this Colombian crunchy chicken bites. So we're gonna.
I've got that much baby corn. Is that her?
I don't think so. Wait, maybe. Oh, I've got lipstick on my face.
A shit load of baby corn.
We're having a massive baking day tomorrow. We're making brownies, cupcakes and tiffin.
Where's your, have you got yours?
Easter themed. Meals. Mine's a bit unhealthy because I have waffles. Yours is super healthy and yours is super healthy.
Super biggie.
And these taste so good. And now we're watching Darren Brown, The Push.
Oh, I'm not going to extract it.
Exciting.
You're fucking doing it.
So after we made dinner, we finished watching the Darren Brown documentary. It was about like social compliance. It's called The Push. It was, I think he did this about 2-3 years ago, and I watched it when it came out, and so did Hattie, but Megan hadn't seen it before, and it was really nice to watch it again because I love Darren Brown so much. Sorry, my ring was really annoying me. But yeah, it was really interesting to watch. I just love all of his stuff, and I'm so excited to see him in June. Am I seeing him in June or July? I can't even remember. I think it's July actually. But yeah, I'm so excited to see him live, like in real life. But yeah, I'm sorry that this vlog again has been all over the place. I feel like I've just been through a lot today that I cut out of this vlog for obvious reasons to do with my personal life, but I will be back vlogging normally tomorrow because we're having a massive baking day. I'm so excited. We're baking loads of Easter things for my blog and for my main channel, so make sure to stick around till tomorrow to see that vlog because I think it's going to be funny. I'll do some like behind the scenes of us filming in the kitchen, and then my main channel video for it will be up relatively soon, within the next month, because obviously it's for Easter, and there'll be posts on the blog as well, so I'm buzzing about that. But thank you very much for supporting my channel. We've hit 1.3k, which is insane. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you tomorrow for a brand new vlog. Bye.